Hello students, welcome back to SRBPS online classes. This is Satna once again for social science. So students, today we are going to learn about a new topic, our rich heritage. In this video, we will learn about what has enriched the Indian culture, the languages spoken in India, the forms of dance and music in India, the painting traditions of India, and the architectural styles of India. Indian culture is one of the oldest cultures in the world. Our vivid culture is the result of diversity in languages, dances, music, paintings, and architecture. This diversity has enriched the culture of India as a whole. Let's have a glimpse of the cultural heritage of India. Language. The people of India speak a number of languages and dialects. Different forms of the same language are called dialects. In India, more than 800 languages and dialects are spoken. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in India. Therefore, it has been chosen as the official language of India. Including Hindi, 22 languages have been recognized as the official languages. These are Assami, Malayalam, Punjabi, Telugu, Bengali, Kannada, Manipuri, Sanskrit, Urdu, Bodo, Kashmiri, Marathi, Santhali, Dogri, Konkani, Nepali, Sindhi, Gujarati, Maithili, Odia, and Tamil. Each language has its own style of writing called script. Most of the languages are written from left to right, but Kashmiri, Urdu, and Sindhi are written from right to left. Dance. India has a long tradition of dances. We can categorize Indian dances as classical dances and folk dances. A classical dance has certain postures and expressions. Classical dance need years of learning and practice to be performed properly. Different parts of India have different classical dance forms such as Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Kathakali, Kerala, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Mohiniyattam, Kerala, Odissi, Odisha, and Satariya, Assam. Folk dances are performed on special festive occasions, family functions, and harvest festivals. These are generally performed by a group of people. Some popular folk dances are Bhangra, Punjab, Ghumar, Rajasthan, Bihu, Assam, Garba, Gujarat, etc. Yakshgan is a traditional theatre form which includes dance, music, and dialogue. It is popular in Karnataka. Music. India has two forms of classical music, Hindustani music and Carnatic music. The Hindustani music is practiced in North India while Carnatic music is performed in South India. Some popular musical instruments used in the Hindustani music are sitar, sarod, सारंगी, शहनाई, संतूर, फ्लूट, तबला, ढोलक, हारमोनियम, etc. Some popular musical instruments used in the Carnatic music are violin, veena, flute, mridangam, ghatam, morsing, etc. India has a very old musical heritage. Tansen, Baiju Bawra and Haridas were some famous singers during the Mughal times about 500 years ago. Some famous singers and musicians of modern times are Pandit Jasraj, Ustad Zakir Hussain, Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, etc. Painting. India also has a rich painting heritage. The paintings on the walls of Ajanta caves in Maharashtra draw the attention of tourists from all around the world. These paintings tell the stories from the life of Buddha. An attractive painting style called miniature painting was introduced during the Mughal period. These are quite colorful but small in size. These paintings tell the daily life of the emperors as well as scenes from nature. Many kings engaged renowned painters to paint the walls of palaces and temples. The artist drew scenes of landscape, hunting, battles, and the life of people. Many painters also drew pictures of gods and goddesses. In modern times, India has many great painters. Amrita Shergill was a great painter of the 20th century. Architecture. Indian architecture was quite famous even in the ancient times. The stupa at Sarnath and Sanchi and the temples of Mahabalipuram still depict the glorious architecture of our past. Apart from these, India has many other old monuments including temples, forts, palaces, mosques, etc. The ancient temples of Madurai, Thanjavur, Belur, Dilwara, Khajuraho, Konark, and Kailash Nath Temple at Ellora are known for their excellent architecture. Indian architecture touched a great height during the Mughal period. They built the Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, etc. Famous monuments built by Rajput kings include the forts and palaces built at Amber, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Chittorgarh, etc. Hawa Mahal is one such monument. The British and other Europeans also added beauty to Indian architecture. Victoria Memorial, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, etc. are great specimens of this time. Some modern buildings of marvelous architecture include the Akshardham Temple, Lotus Temple, etc. All these monuments are our national heritage and we should protect and conserve them.